It's finally nice just being in my nice perch alone. Hey! What the? Why's your beak really long? Don't know. Don't care. My God, wait a minute. I don't know you. Maybe you don't. Maybe you do. Like one of those creepy old guys that always come up to you and ask you if you can stay at their house. Do I have a beard to you? No, we have a really long beak. True, but well, just shut up. I'm gonna go get something on my bed. Woo! 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 Oh my God, you're snoring so just. You get what I mean. Get out of here. Here it is. The 12 badger. I named it after my toilet. Well, what am I gonna do now? Oh yeah, that's right. I'm gonna sitting on my night. Hello. Just please stop that. Oh. Yeah, sorry. Well, I just want to show you something. Oh no. Oh, what's for you pointing at? Alright, this ain't funny, man. This ain't funny. Are you willing to take the risk? No. Alright, fine. Hmm? Close it. I'm gonna throw you out. Wait a minute, I think I know what I'm gonna do. Are you willing to take the risk? What risk? You know, I'm just gonna do it. Yeah, just airsoft, right? Yes, I know it's airsoft. Oh. My name. Hold on, let me get my beak. Oh, let me get my beak down there. Right. My name is Mike. Yeah, my name's Mike. Over here's my pal Zach. What's up? And yeah, here's my pal Blue Trail. What do you have to say, Blue Trail? Well, I'm glad to see you on the show. So, we're making a show, and it's called The Angry Board Adventures. Hope you enjoy it. And yeah, we don't have that many birds. My friend, this is my friend's girlfriend. My name's Katie. Yeah, that's her name, Katie. His name's Blue True. Blue. Since when did you talk like that? Blue. Oh, whatever. Well, I hope you enjoyed the series that we will be making in the future. In the making, you get it, right? Ow! Jesus! Ow, that hair. You want to screw the stunt? So, where's my boyfriend? Oh, he's over here. Nice and tan. Oh, sorry for the blurry image, guys. I was being tanned. Well, my name is Jake. Yeah, my name is Jake. I'm from. Sorry, why is this? Oh, yeah. My name is Jake. I am a skilled master at gunnery. My brother, the one without this and, well, was triangle shaped. His name is Bombard. Oh, no, not Bombard. What's the name? Well, we don't know his real name. I'm just gonna call him Alex. We're gonna call him Alex. Deal with it! So, yeah, well, I hope you enjoyed this video in introducing the characters, and hopefully... Oh yeah, I forgot about a special guy. Well, we'll see him in the next video. You never saw anything. Oh, just